You go.
Popo Pinoy style. Pinoy style. When I come around, you know it's gonna be a party. Cause I come from a land that's more fun than the other countries. Where we ace our exam with flying colors cause we studied. And there's nobody else that can cook better than our mommies. Yeah, it's hotter here. And that is why my skin is brown and you'll find water here. To wash my bum after I'm done raiding my Frigidaire. Cause I am proud that I'm Pinoy, I shout it everywhere. And tattooed it here. A baby dog still inside the eggshell. It is good, yeah. It's called balloon, yeah. I eat my ulam, rice and sausawan with my hands. Yeah. I close open. Yeah. You have to got parents, I have them. Well, Popo Pinoy style. Pinoy style. Op, 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 Pinoy style. Pinoy style. Op, 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 Pinoy style. Pinoy lady. Op, 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 Pinoy style. Where it's shady. Op, 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 op. My name is Mikey Bustos, your one and only Pinoy boy. I'm pointing with my lips cause hands are busy eating Pinoy. Blessing to the elderly, I mano po to Lola. But now my forehead smells like ginger cause she cooked tinola during summer here. Yeah, it is super scorching hot and the rest of the year. Yes, it is still so scorching hot, but really I don't care. Cause I just use my split type aircon, I can pee-pee here, almost anywhere. Cause I do okay, in video okay, magaling, yeah, infinite ring, yeah. Yes, I am guapo, haba ng hair mo, as I could do, that's how we do, beautiful eyes will get to you. I'm a liar, Opo Pinoy style. Pinoy style, op, 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 Pinoy style. Pinoy style, op, 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 Pinoy style. Hey, Tita baby, op, 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 Pinoy style. Hey, we're related, op, 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 op. We're barong while eating chicharron. Just watch us take over the world with a plastic balloon. And I'm on my cell phone, texting in Jejemon. And I am busy during brownout cause there's no aircon. Ba't ganon? Opo Pinoy style. Filipino. Opo Pinoy style. Mabuhay Filipino. Opo Pinoy style. I'm just returning the favor.